Have you ever wondered how many stars exist in our galaxy? The Milky Way. This celestial city, our home, spirals across the cosmic canvas, a swirling dance of stardust and light. It's estimated that this galactic tapestry is woven with the glimmer of between 100 and 400 billion stars, each one a sun, each one a potential home for unknown worlds. Imagine we are part of such an enormous galaxy, but this is just the beginning. Our solar system is one of billions in the Milky Way. Nestled within this cosmic whirlpool, our solar system paints a mesmerizing portrait of celestial bodies dancing around a central star, our Sun. This incandescent sphere of hot plasma, the Sun, is the grand puppeteer of our solar system, keeping the planets in check with its immense gravitational pull. Now, imagine 8 planets, each with their unique characteristics, orbiting this star. Close in, we have the rocky terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Each holds its own fascinating story, such as Mars with its towering Olympus Mons or Earth with its abundant life. Venturing further out, we encounter the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. Jupiter, known for its great red spot, a storm that's been raging for centuries, and Saturn, the jewel of our solar system with its magnificent rings. Followed by the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, shrouded in mystery and cold blue hues. But the solar system is not just about the sun and planets. It's also home to numerous moons, asteroids, and comets. These celestial bodies reside in regions like the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, the Kuiper belt beyond Neptune, and the distant Oort cloud. It's awe-inspiring, isn't it? The solar system we call home is but a tiny part of the vast Milky Way. To wrap up our cosmic journey, let's take a step back and marvel at the celestial spectacle we've traversed. We've delved into the depths of the Milky Way, a galaxy teeming with billions of stars, each one a radiant beacon in the vast cosmic ocean, a galaxy so immense it stretches over a stunning 100,000 light-years in diameter. We've also embarked on a voyage through our solar system, our cosmic neighborhood, from the fiery heart of the sun, radiating energy and life, to the outermost reaches where Neptune and Pluto dance in the cold darkness. And let's not forget our own humble abode, Earth, spinning on its axis, nestled in the perfect spot to sustain life. Remember, our galaxy is but one among billions in the universe. We are but a speck in the grand scheme of the universe. Yet, it's this understanding that makes our existence so profoundly fascinating.